Hey guys, welcome back to M&M Productions. In this video we're gonna unbox the MacBook Pro M1 2020. This model has 16GB unified memory and a 256GB SSD. The moment of truth. Ooh. So in the box we have, of course, the MacBook, a 1 meter long cable from USB-C to USB-C that's thicker than the normal cables, the one in the iPhone for example, the stickers, and a 60-watt power adapter. I of course just bought the Mac for the stickers because I love them, so I just bought the Mac for it. We have two USB-C ports on the left side and one jack input on the right side. Here we have a big fail. It turns out the MacBook didn't have any battery left, so I thought it was, I don't know, maybe a problem. I was doing something wrong because I've never used a MacBook with this kind of configuration of buttons, but it turns out the battery was empty, so I had to charge it. And now we start configuring the computer.
To use English as the main language, press the return key. Drücke die Eingabetaste, um Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
So, this was the unboxing and setup of the MacBook Pro M1 2020. I recorded this on November and now I'm editing this on December on Christmas. That means I've used it for nearly a month, a little bit more, so I can make a 1 month video. So expect it soon, but from the first things that I will say is the battery life is amazing, performance is amazing. You'd never hear the fan noise. I've heard it just once exporting a video, but everything is amazing, so stay tuned for the video. And don't forget to listen to our podcast on our YouTube channel, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and much more. All the links are in the description. And also follow us on our socials, TikTok, Instagram, we have everything now. And please consider subscribing and liking this video, because this video costed a lot of money to record and film, because a MacBook isn't cheap to buy, so please consider it and see you soon. Bye!